gentlemen, this is Nina from Farfly.
Hello everyone, I'm Joanna. Welcome to Farfly's live room.
You know, this is a very special and difficult year for everybody, for the whole world. We are very happy to meet you guys in this kind of way. Because of the coronavirus, we cannot fly to attend the show and discuss the details with you face to face.
Yes, but we do believe everything will be okay. We will get to normal quickly and we will overcome our difficulties.
Yes, definitely. We trust we can go through this very soon. We respect the world, we respect the human.
Anyway, we are very glad to have you with us right now. Today, we will have 3 main broadcasting contexts.
Okay, 3 steps. What about the first stage?
First stage, we will introduce our factory, the history to customers.
And then the second one, we will
operate all the machines and show all of you how to use how it works and how to operate it.
Yes, finally we will show you all the workshop of our factory and office. Yes, but you know the best thing is that we will have a very big surprise in the final things. So everybody, please just be patient about this one.
So what's the surprise?
I cannot tell you now because we should keep secret for this one because so everybody just keep it. Maybe you are the luckiest guy of tonight.
Okay, let's see. Who is the first lucky guy?
Okay, let's go about this one. Okay, so let's go through our Farfly's history. Shanghai Farfly Company was established in 2003 and we registered the capital of 10 million RMB. We are a high-tech enterprise committee on development, manufacturing, sales, and service of the grinding machines and mixing equipment.
Yes, after many years development, we have not only the single products, and also we can summarize the whole production from design, installation, and sales engineer. Go to your factory, teach you guys how to use the machine.
Yes, we are the professional manufacturer of the dispersers, mixing machines, grinding machines, liquid filling machines, and also the filter for the paint, coating, ink, pigment, agri-chemicals. And also we have like the pipeline and platform, and also for the like electricity wires and PLC system, we also can supply about this one. Like Joanna said, we can send our worker engineers to your local factory to guide you how to use the machines properly.
Yeah, we do is a turnkey
project.
Yes,
we call it a turnkey project.
From the formulation and the design, installation according to your requirement.
Yes, no problem about this one. We have many customized about the meals. Okay, so let's just go start about the most important part of our
our boarding introduction for this.
Sorry for this one. So we just go shortly about our Farfly industry. I think most of the customers is very carefully about that our machines, how to work it, and also the main structure of our machines. Okay, so let's go start from our grinding machine part about this one. I invite our Joanna to introduce our Farfly horizontal disc type of grinding mill. You know this is the disc type about this one. Okay, so Joanna, what about the application of our this kind of machine used for?
Yes, first our disc mill usually for the coating, paint, ink, pigment, agrochemical. Mostly for these industries.
So it is used for the low and the medium viscosity. So what about our high viscosity product about this one?
Oh, sorry, today we haven't mostly we use the FW here. But today we haven't have FW here. We have the high flux pen.
You know, FW is just a very basic grinding machine in this industry. But we want to introduce you very high technology.
Yes, this is high technology.
Yes, you can find from this one body. This is the main rotor about this one. You know this one, I think this one is the Chinese standard. for the different based on requirements. We can supply like ABB, Siemens, WEG, yeah, and all this one. And also we have ATEX certificate, and also we have the C certificate. We also have the, yes.
I know that ATEX is for the European market.
Yeah.
How about the American market if they want to? I think there is different.
Yeah, because we have 20 years exporting experience about this one.
Yes.
So we know about it. We have customer in United States about this one. So we can supply you the UL certificate of motor about this one.
Yeah.
So it's no problem about this one. And it's not just like the product will be have the water-based and have the solvent-based.
So some customer may be very careful about what's the protection.
Which one is locally about doing this one. And we have a journal can show us what kind of protection, what others we have it.
Yes, we also have the pressure meter, temperature meter to protect. If the temperature is over, usually we center the temperature to 65
degrees. Yes.
If the temperature higher, this one machine will stop automatically.
Yeah.
And also the pressure meter we usually set it 2 bar. If it's over 2 bar, the machine also will stop immediately.
Yeah, and also I think John just missing on something, one point about this one. The product is very sensitive one. Like need to below 35 degrees or below 45 degrees, no problem. We also can design about this one. If your product is very sensitive to the temperature, we also can get the cooling part from the inlet, outlet, and also for the chamber.
How many cooling systems for your mill?
All of the parts which we want to assemble on this one, we all can do it. You can from this mill. We coming from the inlet. Coming from the inlet, we have the diagram part, basic pipe inside on this one. But if you are very special one, we can design here using a special pipe for the cooling water.
This is buffer tank?
Yes, this is buffer tank.
Yes.
For the diagram pump, if you are pumping like the diagram pump like. Yes, they have to post about this one. So sometimes it's not good for the product, sometimes it's not for the mill. But we have the buffer tank. When you are pumping very quickly, if you are staying in the buffer tank, then the product will be inside. Yes, mostly about this one. Yes. And you can see we have the quick, all of this one is using the very quick clamp about this one.
Yeah. It will be easy to take off and install.
Yes, very easy about this one. Even your worker is lady, also can be using about this one. It's no problem.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah, okay. I think maybe your dinner is didn't eat a lot about this one. Yeah, you should be getting fatter, Okay, so we will go through about the chamber. I will be invite a worker come here in media inside.
This is for the beans.
Yeah, for the beans. Yeah, the bean grinding media for inside of this machine is just like 95% zirconium beads. And the zirconium beads, the size can be from 0.6 millimeter to 1.4 millimeter. And all range of the beads you can use it inside around this one. We can supply the customer for the zirconium beads. You also can buy from the local. It's no problem about this one. Okay. Yeah, mill is using the double end
mechanical seal. We will show the mechanical seal over there and all that. This is for the mechanical seal
cooling tank about
if your product is water-based, you can use water.
Yeah.
Yes. If it's solvent, you can add solvent too.
Yes. And you see, this is the liquid test about the liquid level. Once your mechanical seal, if have some problem, if have problem, the liquid level, if the level is down from about the levels, then this liquid level switch will be just stop the mill immediately. Then your mill cannot start again. Unless you solve about this problem, then your mill can start again. That means that it's safety protection about this one. And maybe you just need one worker go around and check about this one. Then it's no problem because it can using the circulation, right? Okay, so Joanna, did I missing something to introduce our FSP disc type of grinding machine?
I think the MC you already introduced.
Oh yeah, I remember that about the screen. We didn't mention about the screen because this is the static discharging way. So the screen
has to be different.
Yeah, it's different from FWE.
FWE.
FWE grinding, the basic things is just they are using about the like this one. We can show you here. Okay, let's show you about inside of the machines. This is the screen. If your grinding media is very smaller, and this one also can be getting smaller. Okay, and we will just show you about. Let me get my cover. We will show you. You can see from our table, we have different material about the grinding machines parts. Because
how many dispersing teeth?
Yes, because you know you are not like just water based and solvent based, but you have the different kind of. We can if your projectors cannot mental version about this one, they will recognize about this one. You know this type outside of type is called PU, and this is the international PU brand. It's not just for the. It's not very easy to learn about this one. And this is just for the shaft, just shaft sleeve about this one. And this is
the ceramic type. If you
nylon. This is nylon.
Nylon?
Nylon, yes, nylon.
Oh, I'm sorry. I think it's ceramic. So I'm so light.
This is the nylon type of the disc about this one. And you can see this. Yeah, this is the ceramic one. Yeah. Later we will introduce it. Here. Okay, yeah, this is for the 100 liter.
100 liter PU.
Yeah, 100 liter PU disc about this one. You can see inside is steel, but outside we covered about all the good quality about the PU.
So if your product is water based, you can choose this type.
Yes. And this one, you can see each part we are covering about PU. So you don't need to care about the mental pollution. Yes, this is the cover for the cap. Oh, this is the biggest one. What is this one, Joanna?
This is the tuber at the end of the shaft.
Yeah, okay, for the seat.
Yes.
Yeah, for the seat because it will need a very big area for the discharging about this one. Digital printing,
yeah, and
UV,
yes, and some and diameter ratio.
Yeah.
So that the contact area for the grinding media is very big.
Yeah, very big about this one. Then the grinding media inside is not just the rounding difficulty. It is rounding very smoothly and the rounding in the loose. Then when you grinding, will be going the very nylon distribution about this one, and also can do the if you need the printing in sometimes you need below 200 nanos, then it can be achieved about this one.
Yes, and for this one, the cooling system we have also upgraded type.
Yes.
Usually for this one, it has 4 segments for the cooling. We have the cooling for the chamber, cooling for the mixed cell, and cooling for the material outlets.
Yes.
Even some customers, they have very high requirements for the cooling because their products can't have the high temperature. So they asked us to have the cooling all the type inlets and outlets need to have a cooling system. So for the Lotus also can make in cooling, right?
Yes. Medium viscosity.
Low and medium. So how about for the high viscosity?
Yes, high viscosity with the pin mill if you need below 5 micron or below 1 micron, we will introduce you as TBS type of high level requirement about this one. We can design for you. You can and also with the screen you can change to the Siemens. And inside of the software, you can get in through about your formulation. If you want you getting through 1 pass or 2 passes, you can get the records about this one. Yes, and also you can get the records about this one. Like you want to check about how about our one process, the meter, what about the meter speed meter about this one, what about the temperature, what about the server port, and what about the pressure showing like this one. So we can use this, no problem on this. So this is a high level. And also you can see from here, the liquid test and also the pressure, they are also using the, automatically about this. Yes. So, yes. In the FTBS, it's just also the pin type. But the pin type is different kind of this one. It's using the wrong, the little, you can see. And this one is just, this is just for the, when you take it off, when it's somebody, maybe you have something product left inside, then you use this cover just to storage about the left liquid.
And also for the beans, right?
Yeah, for the beans, it's easy about this one. Okay, so it's just like our running machines. And also this is a diagram pump, you can change it. If you're in high viscosity, we can change to the gear pump. Gear pump. Or even you want to move in smoothly, you can change to the water pump. It's no problem on this one. Just depends on your custom size requirements. So okay, so we just finished about each customers coming and they have the willingness to receive order or want to send us the inquiry. So we will have different discount for the different years. So what about discount we have here? We have first of all, we will be like $600 if you buy like 20 liters, because boss said okay, we don't care about boss what is saying. We just do ourselves. Yes, we just do ourselves. Okay. So if you buy 20 liter, we will give you $600 just for immediately discount on this one. And also we will show you the spare parts for free, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like the O-rings. We will give you for free. And what about the next one?
We also have 800.
Then we can recommend you.
Yes, but this have because your material is low viscosity.
Yeah, for the low viscosity.
You can't handle the high viscosity.
Yeah, yes. And here you can see this is not so like wrong about this one. It's just you can see we have different angles for this one. This is for the medium viscosity. Yes, you can use this kind of disc type. And all this one is just hardened steel. Oh, sorry, I cannot handle it. Help me. Okay, thank you. You can see the thing is long.
This one like this.
Yeah, like this. Okay, we can get this mask. You want to try it? And this is for the 100 liter and using for the high viscosity.
Yes.
Yeah, we call it a tringle. This type. Okay. Oh, a little heavy. Okay, so we just finished about the grinding machine. Did we finish about the grinding machine?
Yes, I think so.
Really? What about the customer if they have the small bench and have the, like the small bench like pigment? If they have just maybe 200 liter or 300 liter and they don't need a high efficiency. So what about this one? Do we have the solution? Or we have the meal to recommendation about this one?
Yes, if your production requirement is for the small batch and how many colors needed to change, we recommend you can use basket meal.
Oh yes, we have the basket meal.
Yes, some for the paint outlet.
Yeah.
The bottom is this.
Yes, it's dispersing plate. When you have the basket meal, it's not just for grinding. It's also kind of using for the dispersing.
So we can use powder, you need the liquid.
Yes. You need the powder and the liquid feeding in, and then you can just using this one, not just for grinding.
So this is serving the powder into the liquid.
Yeah.
Then your high speed.
Yes. It will like the high speed disperse about this one. And inside our grinding chamber, it will have the ceramic parts.
Oh, ceramic.
Yeah, we call it the ceramic pad. Okay. And showing around. So we want to okay. Please just let our worker to help us. Just let it up. Okay. Okay. Now it's up because it's hydraulic lifting system, so it can be high lifting up. Okay. So okay. Yeah. This is the lifting stroke. It is depends on your tank and depends on your capacity. So we have the smallest one. What are our smallest one for the basket mill?
We can work about 2.2.
Yeah. So just for the 50 liter, right? Yeah, with the smallest one we can go through about 50 liter, and also we can go through about the biggest one, like 2,000 liter and 3,000 liter. But if we are even bigger, we can use price. Yeah, we can use it depend.
This is the flow ground to the type.
Yes, this is the flow ground type. And also you can see
the hydraulic is double action type.
yeah, hydraulic is double action, so it's not easy for the liquid to leaking.
Yeah.
For the oil to leak.
Yeah.
So,
And for the motor, we also can choose ABB, Siemens,
yes,
WD,
definitely.
and Chinese.
Yeah, yes, definitely. And also, so we will be coming again to use our grinding machines, okay? We will just stop here and stop on the job. Yeah, we just press on the emergency, so you can see the mill just stop. Later, we will be landing a big tank to show you all how our basket mill goes to the very, very high speed about this one. What about the highest speed of our basket mill?
High speed.
No. The highest speed of a basket mill. 0 to 1,500. Yeah. Yes. 0 to 1,500. RPM. Yes. So it is a very high speed amount. And the motor, we are just like our mentioned, we can use the ABB,
Siemens, WD, and Chinese motor function.
yes, also you can use the EL.
Attach the ignition.
Yes.
And air filtration.
And we know it's not just because the ABB or Siemens have the ATEX or the new air system certificate about this one. We have the Chinese brand, it's called the Jiangsu Dazhong, yeah, Shanghai Machine. And also we have the Wannan. They all have the new air and also have the ATEX certificate on this one. Okay? The shaft is the stainless steel. Yes, cooling, normally the cooling water is like 3 bar or like this one, so we need inside of the tank, we should be getting a little thicker.
Usually it takes 1,000 liters.
Yes.
The thickness inside about 5 millimeters.
Yeah, 5 millimeter.
The jacket is 4
Or 3 or 4 or
Yes,
4
3 or 4
millimeter.
millimeter.
Yes. And the stainless steel, you can choose in the 304 or 316. And also using, if you are needing like the carbon steel, we also can make it, it's no problem.
Yeah.
So like the jacket also can using the carbon steel material. We can having the anti-painting to wear about this one.
Yes, this is the jacket one. And it also have the cooling water.
Yeah.
They have cooling water in and out.
Yes, cooling outlet for this one. Okay.
So we already finished all the grinding system.
Yes, we are just finished all the grinding system. So we will go back to show you about our grinding parts of our basket mill. So the pack is touching with the zirconium beads, then the financing is getting lower. Okay, so this is ceramic one. It's not easy for the wall. Okay, so what else do we want to introduce next one?
I think next we can go to the mixing.
Yeah, you can go to because it's not just for the grind. Before the grinding, we need a mixing system, right? Yes, for the mixing system, what kind of mixing system we have?
I think we all friends are waiting for our
Yes, sorry, I just forgot about this one. Just because I also want to get a lot of inquiries from customers.
Yeah. So
we will be having.
So friends, not just within the show, but please send the email to us, okay?
Yes, if you because we are sure give you nearly $1,200. Is this discount? Boss told us? Oh, didn't matter. Yeah, yes.
We can design this.
Yeah, we can design about this one because now we are hoping about this one.
Yeah.
Okay, Summers, if you want to buy our 1,000-liter basket meal, just send me the order immediately. I will definitely give you 1,200 discount for the brand.
1,200.
Yes.
1,200.
Yes, and also I will give you the spare parts for like this or for the basket meal, like the bearings and also the O-rings for the hydraulic system.
Also the disposing disc.
Yeah, also the dispersing blade about this one. Okay, so we just finished. Do we just finish all of the grinding machine?
Yeah, I think so. Yes,
Okay. So we get 2 liter.
Yes.
And today we will give you the finest one is $1,500 discount about this one. So if you price about the order right now, or you issue the payment in this week. Yeah, in this. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, today is Saturday. We can go in next week.
We can give you 1 week for the payment.
Yeah, we will give you 1 week to do the payment. So the final things will be $1,500.
We never saw this
Of
price
course.
before.
How many years do you, Joanna, have you working in Farfly?
5 years. Yeah, 5
Oh,
years.
nearly 5 years. You know, nearly 5 years we are facing a lot of customers to selling about the laboratory basket meal, and never have this price to show to the customer. So believe me, just place the order, you will be get the biggest discount for the laboratory basket meal.
If my old customer.
Oh yeah, forget about them. Sorry, forget about you. Yeah, you can buy again. You know.
Because they think they pay expensive from before.
No, it's just a very special discount for today. You know, just for the today.
So,
You know, yes.
Forget that.
Forget that. Sorry. Okay. So we will be discussing about the grinding machines. So we will go to the first stage of the production of the paint and pigment. It will be dispersing. Yes. You know, dispersing, we have many types about this one. So we will be introduce you in different application and in different production. You know, the first one we want to introduce you, it is our, you know, everybody knows about this one.
High-speed disperser.
Yeah, it is a high-speed disperser. We want to show you about the single shaft.
Control for laboratory.
Yes.
When it is very small, you can put on desk. And they also have a smaller tank over here.
Yeah. This is 2-liter tank is also using for the laboratory disperser. You can using the handle to holding about this machine to hanging up or hanging down. Oh, okay. I will let a worker to show you about this one. Jerry Long, worker. Okay, now we will show you how to lifting up.
Come here, come here.
We have an old customer who is working in our factory nearly 20 years. He will be showing us how it will be lifting up.
Yeah.
You can see it is lifting up. When you're lifting up highest one, you can using this handle to lock it. Yeah, to lock it. You know, just lock it. Then it will be not handle down. You can see? Yeah, try it. It's just very simple about this one. So you can open this tank, you can put this down in.
Also have a very little smaller cover for this.
Yes,
And also there have a hole. It's half open small cover. They have holes for the shaft.
yeah, you can see we put the tank here.
Shaft here.
Yeah, and then we getting down. Okay, it's going over. Yeah, you just lock them again. Then you can, inside of the zone you will have the water or your paint. Then you can running it in here. You have the stop reset. You have the up, down. Yes, this is inverter type, and you can using it with different speed.
So this speed also can be controlled, right?
Yeah, you can control about this one. What frequency?
What's the maximum?
Actually, the maximum speed of our laboratories disperser will be 10,000 RPM. So it is very high. So you but normally it's just using like 2,000 RPM is enough. This machine is not just for dispersing. Look here. You can see here we will have a smaller dispersing plates like 20 millimeter or 40 millimeter dispersing plates, and we have a small one, another spare parts shipping together. You can see we have two different dispersing plates.
Different size.
Yeah, this is a smaller one. This is 50 millimeter. This is 50 millimeter, and we also can getting screw off to getting this dispersing plate off, and we can getting this one. We call it PTFE nylon material for the grinding. This is also using for the grinding. This is called a multifunctional disperser.
Yeah, it have two functions.
Yes, they have
Dispersing
function.
and grinding.
Yes, dispersing we just show you, and also for the grinding.
You can change it.
This is a smaller one.
Here.
Yeah, and also this is the big one.
So,
And they are using glass beads.
use glass.
Yes, we also assemble the glass beads together. Yeah.
Glass is put into tank.
Yeah. The glass beads you just go inside of the tank mixing grinding with the liquid. After the grinding, you will have a sieve. You will have a sieve.
You use those things to screw out.
Yes.
From the cannabis.
Yes.
Oh, I understand.
Yeah. So it's just the small function for the laboratory. It's just for the 2 liter when you are doing the research about the formulation, or you are checking about what about parameters showing for the
Or
product.
you test for your new formulation.
Yeah.
Or what to get a new result for your formulation. Then before you start production time, right? You can try this one.
Okay. Do we have any discount for our laboratory disperser today?
Yeah, of course. Today is our first show, so
Yeah,
we
first
have
show.
big discount to your friends.
Let me show you. What about this one? Okay. Oh, sorry. This is the laboratory dispersing machine, but this one is just for the 0.4 kilowatt. Today we are showing in 0.55 kilowatt. This is for the 0.4 kilowatt.
Yeah.
And the basic price is $600.
At least we from 600, but
Yes.
today we just 400.
Wow, it's just the $400 for the whole part of the, not just using for dispersing and also using for the grinding. So it's just need $400. You will get not only for the machine, you will get tank, you will get the dispersing plate, you will be getting the grinding part, you will get the grinding medium.
Yes, 3 this and 2.
Wow, I think it is very worth about this one.
And the contact plastic.
Yes. Okay, they just need $600, and now today just need $400. And also it's just like the laboratory bus meal. If you are doing in next week during the payment, we definitely promise you this price. And the customers, if you are doing giving the inquiry or the order in the end of this month, we also will be giving you a very special discount, but cannot achieve about $400 every day, because if like that one boss will kill me,
This chance not every carry.
Yeah, of course. So everybody should be think about this chance and sending us inquiry to our
Take off your
Farfly.
phone. Take off your phone and send inquiry to us.
Yes, you can find our contact information in our website. Our website you can search from the Google about www.farfly.com. Yes, our
You can
Farfly.
message it to us.
Yeah, you can leave
send
message.
message it to us, or you can leave all your requirements to us. Or if you have the production or have any other questions, you also can contact with us. Need any help?
Yeah, any help. Or even, we have many customers is using our machines.
Yeah.
If you have any inquiries for the maintenance, it's no problem. Just inquiring us. If we will be just see it, we will be reply you in the immediately. So don't worry about this one. Okay.
So we can go to the dispersion production house.
Yeah. We can go to the dispersion production machines. So, okay. At the wrong, we just move the camera. We go to the basic mixing with the liquid. Also, if you need the liquid to mixing with the liquid, also can using these machines.
Yes, of course. You can see this one. We have the new design.
Yeah.
We have the cover, and we have the feeding hole.
Yeah. Okay. Joanna, what about this one? We just go through the basic parameters and then we go to the custom size. Okay.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so the first one you will see, this is of the frame, The frame, this is the big frame. You can cancel it, it's no problem.
So, and from here you can see there have for the tank.
Yeah, for the step for the tank to moving up very smoothly and easily. And here,
usually for this space you need a barrel on the ground.
yes.
To fix it.
Yeah, to fix about this one. Then you can get in the disperser very stable.
Yes.
Okay, so here we will be seeing this is the frame of our dispersing, and the inside of this one we will be have a
Double action cylinder for the hydraulic oil.
Yes, for the hydraulic system. Yeah, it's very not easy for the oil leaking.
Yes.
And this is the hydraulic system below 46 number. You can feel
Yes, many customers ask about this. What
Yeah.
kind of oil for
the size of the lubricated oil type is 46, below 46 all can be used. And also you can hear, we have a switch here. This switch is just to adjusting the speed of the lifting up and down, speeding. Yeah, so when you lifting up, when we are shipping, sometimes it will be looser. So when you get the machines in your local factory, if you think that lifting is not so stable or not so smoothly, you can adjust this switch a little, just to turn it, and then the lifting will be smoothly. Maybe at first it will be very slowly. When you adjusting about this one, it will be go smoothly.
What this for?
This is for the when this is oil back.
Yeah,
Oil in, oil back. So you have the two direction about this one. Same. Yeah.
And you can see this one also have the tank clamp to fix the tank. And we have it automatically. If the tank not fixed, the machine won't move, right?
Yeah, yes. And here, this is just the belt type, We also have the, what else, another type we have is for the clamp.
We also have the chain.
Chain, yeah.
We have the chain type.
Yes, we also have the chain type.
And
This is, and also this is called, we can join. What about showing us about this
Okay.
one? Yeah, this is the limit switch. When the lifting stroke, we have different capacity. We have different lifting stroke about this one. This is the called a limit explosion-proof limit stroke switch.
switch.
Yeah. When the lifting is up, and it will be stopped when
the maximum.
yes, the maximum height about this one. This is 22 kilowatt, so means this lifting stroke is 1,200 millimeter. So this machine will be go up to the 1,200 millimeter and it will stop automatically.
Yes. And usually for 22, we use 1,000 per batch.
Yeah, normally for the normal
Normally for
disposal.
the 1,000
Yeah, with
per
22
yeah.
kilowatt is used for the 1,000 liter batch. And the 1,000 liter tank, you can choose the best diameter of this one is 1,100 millimeter. It's no problem. You
And
can
for this
custom
one,
size about this one.
What's the maximum speed? What's the maximum speed?
Maximum speed, it just depends on the motor. The motor here, we are giving you the 4-pulse. So at the highest speed is 0 to 1,450 RPM.
Yeah, usually some friends may have a misunderstanding. They think the speed is more higher.
Yeah.
Mixing result is more good. Actually, it's not like that.
Already?
Yeah,
So what
so-
about the best solution about this one?
Yeah, usually for the mixing result is determined by the tip speed. Yeah,
tip speed.
usually the tip speed around 26 to 28.
26 to 28 meter per second.
Per second. Yes, and the tip speed is determined by the, you can see by the disc diameter and time diameter.
Yes, the disc diameter is a reason also designed about the diameter of the tank. You know, like 22 kilowatt, we will be recommend to you is 350 millimeter dispersing blade.
Yes.
So suitable for the 1,100 millimeter diameter
Yes,
tank.
and the tank diameter is 1,100 millimeters.
Yes, yes. So the dispersing blade is like this one. This is the toothless type of dispersing.
Yes,
Yeah.
tooth type, very sharp. You can see
Yeah.
it's very sharp.
Yeah, it's very sharp about this one.
Yes, after the disc diameter tank diameter confirmed, then we can figure out the machine's mixing speed.
Yeah, yes, and then this one can be lifting up and lifting down. Okay, and here, and I think the customer will be just notice we will have this twisting direction system for about this one. You know, here, if you manually open it, or then the machine, the shaft will be twisting manually from in this direction.
So you need the machine, man can push it to there and there.
Yeah, if you are having this system, when you open it, this shaft, when you are lifting up, then the shaft will be twisting in 90 degree or in 180 degree.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, so, but you know for the flow type, it's no meaning because when you're lifting up, the tank will be pulled out.
Yes.
But for the platform, you know we have a lot of dispersing vessels for the platform. Yeah.
And for this one, some customer adjusting the judge just the mixing result by seeing the mixing if it has a vortex, you know. So I think we don't have to power this on, that customer should power the works.
Yes. Okay, it's running now.
Okay.
You can see it's running now.
Can we get one more worker to make it here?
It's just you know the twisting direction in the dispersing blades. We will be have a direction indicator to show you error. The error to show you how the dispersing blades install.
See, it's running in clockwise.
Yeah, the clockwise about this one. Okay, we just show you the basic things of our dispersing blades. And our shaft, you know, is for the international customer, we will be recommended in stainless steel 304, and the dispersing blades is also in the stainless steel 304.
So all the material contact parts we can do in
Stainless steel 304, yes.
Or it can be 316.
Yes, and also for the paint solvent base, If you don't need the stainless steel for saving the cost, you can choose in the carbon steel with the chromed. We have the 45 chromed about this one, so you have the high hardness about the shaft. Like this 1,000 liter tank, we have the 25 bed powder like this one. When you manually cut it off, then you just have the worker to hold it here,
and it will also remove the Dispersion everywhere.
So this one is very easy, protective for the prop holders. So it's good for your worker environment about this one. So when your worker holding the tank back here, we will have breathing.
We also have this one for
the breathing for the safety.
Yes, to prevent workers and
yes,
hands into here.
Yes. And we have a safety protection for the disperser. We have the limit stroke and switch, and also we have this one. When the tank cover is opening, the disperser is not a start. So and now when you finish about the powder, you can lock it off again. Okay, so it's very easy. And also when the tank is moving up, when the clamp is not fixed, so the tank is not a position, so I think this one will be not good. Shaft, it also can this cover can be lifted up and down because we will have the air tank. We have air tank. I'm sorry, we just didn't have the compressed air to show you about the cover coming up and coming down.
Because this one we should connect to the air.
Connected to the compressed air.
So if the customer for this, I know it's for the normal viscosity, but if the customer's their product is high viscosity or the solid content is a little higher, so what kind of machine you can recommend it for that?
I think for the high viscosity, or you will be recommend them about the girl shaft disperser, and also we have the butterfly disperser. But is like the carbon black. It is very high content, solid content. We can change the dispersing blade to be the powerful dispersing blade. We have the very special, different type of dispersing blade.
This can be off from here.
Yes, take off from here. And this is used for the high solid contact and also for the high viscosity. And not so high viscosity, If it is so high viscosity like the potty, you will be using the next introduction of our milk. So, but it's for this kind of powerful dispersing blades, we will need the big motor, right? Yeah, we need a big motor, big bench about this one. And also you can see from our table, we have different design, and we have different design dispersing blade. You can see here, we have different design, special design for the holes, because when you're using, this is for the viscosity, higher. Yes, and the tooth blades, we also can design different type.
Yes, you can see this shaft into opposite direction.
Yes. Okay, and this one is mirror polish. This is another one. We are using for different. You can see here we have different design for just the circle part. So you just when you're sending in us the inquiry, please just tell us the details of the product, like the
what
viscosity,
kind of products you do, and the products viscosity.
And also the solid contact. Of course, you should tell us the capacity. The smallest dispersing we are for the prototype is like for the 10 liter and 20 liter. But for the hydraulic system coming from 100 liter and going up to 2,000 liter or 3,000 liter. If you are even bigger one.
Yes, usually if over 3,000, we can have the plant prototype. We have the big plant prototype. use one machine for 2 tanks, 3 tanks, and 4 tanks work together.
Yeah, using using the one dispersing system, you will have different tank around the dispersing blades. Then you will be, because the one tank is mixing, then another tank you can do the formulation.
Yes.
Right?
So, do we have the plant type over here?
Yeah, later we will show you about this one. 5 milliliter, and 1,000 liter is not very more. You can using these machines. And this machine is just, we have the butterfly flags.
And also have Teflon striker.
Yes,
And material stick on tap.
yeah, you have the material stick on tag, attached to the warp tag. You can use it moving, you can see here.
Yes, one have striker to
And also, it's not just for the tank, you can see the bottom. With the bottom, we also have the PTFE Teflon blade to getting the bottom product mixing up. And also, you can see another one, we have the shaft for the dispersing blade. And also for the powders dispersing.
yes, and we are serving the powder into the baking.
Yes, yes. And Joanna, why this cover is different from our dispersing machines and just the recommendation?
Yeah, but that one is the front cover.
Yeah.
And this one is the cover is really for the vacuum time.
Yes, this is used for the vacuum type.
Yes, for some products there we have the cover.
Yes, you cannot have the bubbles.
Yes, also you can use the vacuum to remove the bubble out of the
Yes, yes.
this one is sealed for the complete.
Yes, it will be sealed with the tap perfectly. And also, because this is the dish hat. Yeah.
Inside, you can from here to see inside about the mixing. And this one is the hand hose. If you want to add some
Additives.
activities, you can put it inside from here.
Yeah, yes.
You can see also it's very easy
To open it.
It's very
Yes.
easy to open and close.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And you know, for this butterfly dispersing, it always is a custom size. Yeah, like you would have different viscosity, we will have different design for the motor.
Yeah, and also for the blade, we also have a special design.
Yeah, yes,
according to your
yes.
product's character.
Yeah, so if you have the inquiry, please tell us the details and then
Yeah.
we can design the best joint for
Yeah.
you and the suitable for you. Then the product will work very perfectly. And also you can see this is the explosion port control box. You have different buttons here, and also we have the emergency stop. So it is a basic requirement on this one.
And also have the indicator lamp.
Yeah.
In the box.
Yes.
Anything else
I think it is a little similar like our dispersing light. So I
Yeah.
just want to introduce you. It is just for the potty, like sealant, and yes, for the and this
Carpentry
yeah,
or
for,
the wall party.
yeah, the wall party will be like this one. Okay, so we just finished all this one. Oh, okay. For the vacuum, we also have the vacuum tank here. We will supply the vacuum pump and we also have the buffer tank together. So anything else? Do we need to introduce them again?
I think because for us, we very familiar with this machine, so we think we explain very clear. So, but I don't know for our friends they understand or not.
Yeah.
So if you have any question, you can leave message to us. We will have our sales team. I think this one is very complicated, right?
Yes, this is one twin duct twist, and also we have the dispersing light. If you don't need the dispersing light, we can cancel this one, and then we just have this one. And here, this one is just for the temperature. It's for the temperature tester.
This is the temperature sensor.
Yeah, temperature sensor. You know, like the sealant will be have a high viscosity
The
and
temperature.
yes, and
So I think there should have a temperature temperature meter.
Yes. You have the temperature, or you have the temperature alarm for this machine. And also this one also can using the vacuum system.
Yes, that's more suitable for very high viscosity, right? So usually how many CPS do you know this?
I think it must be higher than 50,000 CPS, or even going to the 200,000 CPS, something like that, you know. I think the customer will be interested about this one, so they are doing the putties or with the sealant, you know.
Sealant?
Yes. Sealant is very good.
Like the silicone sealant.
Yeah, silicone, yeah.
And the glass glue. Yeah.
For the glues.
Yes, for the glue.
Yes. Okay. Anything else we want to introduce for this plant material mixer? I think also we can get in the PTFE Teflon blade in this design, so it is also custom sized about this one. Okay, so we will.
I think this cover also can get up together with this.
Yes, of course about this one. Because this is a hydraulic system. When you are lifting up, then the whole cover will be lifting up, and also very easy for the changing.
Also have cooling system inside.
Yes, have the cooling system inside.
Yeah.
Of course it should have it, you know. It is for the. Here we call it a dust-free powder feeding system. You can see we have the fan motor.
This one is for the ducting.
Yeah, for the dust collection. Yeah, we will be. You know, when you have the production projecting, you have many dispersing vessels in the platform. When you getting the powder in, if we are doing the manually to do the powder in, then we must be have the powder is spreading in the workshop.
Yes, now in the future, you know, all countries is very strict for the environment.
Yes.
So they for their factory also control the environment, don't have the dust. So you can use this one.
Yeah, you can use this one. You know, when you open it, once you is ready about this one, when you open it, here will be have a sealant here. It's just for the show. And here we have the grilling. You have the grilling and the bag. You can handling here to put it in here. Yeah. And also once this cover is opening, the fan, the dust fan will be automatically open. Yes, of course about this one. Yes, the platform must be very higher.
Yes.
And as you can see, this is a flash type. Flash assemble, so it's used for the dispersing vessels. You can assemble with the flash. Okay, so we just go through a little introduction about this one. If you have the dispersing blades or you have the production line, you can send us the inquiry. We can design for you, because normally the production line will be dispersing mixing machine, and then going to the filter, we're going to the grinding machines, and we're going to the low speed mixing machines for the adjusting the colors.
Yes, some customers, their production is very large.
Yes.
The flow type is not satisfy their production requirement. So they will use the big one, production line.
Yes. You know, we also can have behind our main system about this one. So, we have introducing about the grinding part and going to the dispersing part. What kind of part left we didn't mention about this one?
I think
the emulsifying. You can see behind of this one we have the emulsifying.
This is emulsifying usually for chemical.
Yes.
Because we're not only do the industry like the paint, coating, ink, pigment, we also can do equipment for the agrochemical,
yes.
Like the SCEW. And in China markets, nearly 80% the biggest agrochemical factories are our customers.
Okay, so we will be simply about to introduce because you can see we have different emulsing hand about this one. Okay, so if your customers have inquiry about our emulsifying system, just sending us an inquiry because we will be coming soon to finish about this show. We will be singly to get around about our factory,
but also we can send up the whole production line from design.
Okay, so this is just our painting workshop about this one. We're painting ourselves. We do the putty at first and then we painting different color based on the requirements. And here you can see it's just for the welding for our vessels and tanks. You can see we have different type of the vessels here. This is all movable tank for the pressing machine or movable for the dispersing machines. And here this is just a storage tank, buffer tank for the production lines. A very small one, like the nearly maybe just 150 liters. And this is just the chamber for our grinding machines.
Grinding machine chamber.
And here, back of this one, you can see of the storage tank for the chemicals. So we have the storage tank, big tank about this one. You can see it. It's in carbon steel. And also we can do the stainless steel about this one.
And also this the spare parts for the mill.
Yeah, and here we will see the storage tank for the another production line for the paint. Waving tank, it's called.
This is for bigger customer
Yeah.
and those are ready to ship.
Yes, ready to ship. And this one is the small platform. We are assembling for the customer to testing about this one. And you can see that is the package for the dispersing vessels. You see we're using the steel channel about this one. And beside of the factory, we will have the CNC equipment for the machines. And for the drilling, for the machines, and for the other spare parts which we made. You can see here, we are the manufacturer. We are not the trader. We are the manufacturer. You can see here, we have a lot of equipment for the drilling and for the polishing, welding, laser about this one. You can see here, we all do the spare parts which we do ourselves.
Yeah.
And we QC them and do the quality statement about this one.
Yes, we can control the quality.
Yes, and the last one here is our CNC equipment. We have CNC equipment here, so we can handling about the accuracy of the each part about this. You can see here, this is our CNC equipment. Discount if you just sending us the inquiry.
Please remember our big discount.
Yes, and if you will be just give the order in the end of this month, we will definitely give you the big discount about this one. If you are buying the production line, we will definitely give you 20% off discount for the total amount about this one.
So just send inquiries to us, okay?
Yeah, just send us the inquiry first, and we are Farfly. So just search us, and we are very glad to introduce our mails. If you have any questions, just sending us inquiry, and
you can leave
call
a
us.
message.
Even you can call us. Yes.
Yeah, you can call us or leave the message on our website.
Yes, yes.
Our website is www.farfly.com.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is Nina.
This is Joanna. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.